The power supply converts the high voltage motor power to a lower voltage that is needed for the LED cut line work light. The power supply contains the circuitry needed to reduce the voltage and a switch so the light can be turned on and off. Eventually the power supply can wear out and will need to be replaced. Replacing the power supply is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. The power supply is secured to the saw with 2 screws. With the screws removed, now I have access to the wire connectors, and I'll go ahead and remove them. To install the new power supply, I simply reconnect the wiring harnesses and then resecure the power supply with the screws. And now you know how to replace the power supply on your DeWalt Miter Saw.